Welcome in a new session of Keller CCP's tutorial video series. My name is Fruzsina Füzesi, Head of Sales and Client Relations, and in this particular video I will try to introduce you the various financial elements that our clients will have to calculate with when entering and or trading on the trading platform operated by FGS. Before we go into the details, I would like to highlight that these financial elements can be divided into two main groups. The portion of different collateral elements represent a larger portion of the financial obligations, which, although blocked by Keller CCP, remains the property of the clients in all circumstances. The smaller portion is those fee elements that constitute final costs for our clients. We made a separate video about each individual collateral element, which I recommend you to watch before this video, as this time I won't go into their explanation. I also would like to add two comments here. As you may know, clients must be a member on the balancing platform in order to become a guest network user. This is mandatory by law in Hungary, so clients shall also calculate with the minimum collateral amount due for the balancing membership, that is Euro 75,000. You can find more info on the balancing platform on our website. In this example, we won't calculate with this item. In March 2021, we have introduced an additional financial collateral element that is based on the individual credit risk rating of our clients. You can find more info on this item on our website, since this is independent from the trading activity. In this example, we won't calculate with this item either. So let's see the specifics of the trading platform. In order to start trading, a minimum collateral amount has to be placed by the member, which is Euro 45,000 on the trading platform, US basic financial collateral, and as the minimum guarantee fund contribution. I stop here for a second. Adding that, as I have highlighted, the Euro 15,000 is the minimum amount of the guarantee fund contribution. The exact amount depends on the trading activity. In order to keep this example simple, we will calculate with this minimum amount. So continuing with the calculation, on trading platform, clients have to place collateral as initial margin or turnover margin. The amount of this margin will be that part of the trading limit which will be determined freely by clients once the gas market consolidation package go live, but until then this margin is determined by Keller CCP based on historical data. Please do not forget, it is and it will be a must in the future either that clients provide 100% collateral coverage for their natural gas buying positions, which will constitute the trading limit. These were the different collateral elements. Let's move on for the fees. First, as a fixed cost, clients have to pay the clearing membership fee, which is Euro 950 per month since 1st of September 2021. Here I stop for a second again, adding that since 1st of September, one tariff applies to the balancing platform, Euro 775, while either one, or even if the client enters more of our served gas markets, it can do it so for only an additional Euro 175, so for a total Euro 950 per month. In the example, we calculate with this amount, but please have in mind that it has to be paid only once if the client is a member on other markets too. As per our fee schedule, we apply a fixed invoicing fee that is Euro 32.5 per month, but only in case there were any turnover in the given month. Since this amount is so small, we won't calculate with it. The first variable cost is the turnover fee, that is 0.01 euro per megawatt hours, and the second one is the collateral management fee, that is actually 0.95% on annual basis. So we brought 3 scenarios with fictional data representing 3 different trading behaviors: a member who is not trading at all, a member who has moderate trading activity, and the one who is quite active on the trading platform. Let's look into the first scenario. As you can see, even there is no activity, the amount that needs to be kept as collateral at each and every day of the month is Euro 45,000, And since there is no turnover at all, the monthly cost is Euro 986. That comes from the membership fee and from the collateral management fee. Let's see the second scenario. For the calculation, we assumed an even distribution of the 100,000 megawatt-hours traded quantity in the month, and we calculated with €100 gas price per megawatt-hours. Since on the trading platform, the purchase has to be covered 100% prior to place a trade order, in this example, Euro 303,000 shall be placed as initial margin on each day. In this example, the amount is obtained by taking the monthly quantity divided for 1 day, multiplying it by the price, and deducting from this amount the Euro 30,000 basic financial collateral that have been already placed. Please have in mind that for weekends, the amount has to be tripled, so on each Friday, the amount of the initial margin is Euro 970,000. As for the fees, the total monthly cost is less than Euro 3,000. That comes from the membership fee, from the turnover fee, and from the collateral management fee. Finally, let's see the third scenario. For the calculation, we assumed an even distribution of the 500,000 megawatt-hours traded quantity in the month, and we calculated with €100 gas price per megawatt-hours. Since on the trading platform, the purchase has to be covered 100% prior to place a trade order, in this example, Euro 1.6 million shall be placed as initial margin on each day. In this example, the amount is obtained by taking the monthly quantity divided for 1 day, multiplying it by the price, and deducting from this amount the Euro 30,000 basic financial collateral that have been already placed. Please have in mind that for the weekends, the amount has to be tripled, so on each Friday, the amount of the initial margin is Euro 4.97 million. As for the fees, the total monthly cost is less than Euro 10,000. That comes from the membership fee, from the turnover fee, and from the collateral management fee. I do hope that with this simple example, I could give you some insights into the calculations. Please do not miss to watch the next sessions of this video series. In case of any questions, you can always turn to us at sales@kellerksf.hu. Thank you.